Today, we are surrounded by fast paced computing devices and a variety of evolutionary ideas that are making the world a much better place to live. Data science. It plays a key part in this evolutionary step. It has applied to almost in every industry, such that the role of data science is very much important. Let's look at how we are experiencing data science in our daily life.
Search engines. Just Google it is a phrase used when someone gets stuck with something. Search engines have been mapping the web hundreds of billions of pages to create something called an index. When you search a word, say lasagna, it shows up a lot in the web. Pages about the history of lasagna, articles of scientists who happen to be with the name lasagna, stuff other people may be looking for. But if you're hungry, randomly clicking through millions of links is no fun. This is where Google's ranking algorithms come to play. Through hundreds of attributes like keywords, links, and locations, it shows us the most relevant pages up top to choose from its index. And also, these algorithms remove spam websites before it comes to our search result page. Without the presence of data science, search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and other search engines wouldn't have been the same as we know today.
Aviation industry. Aviation industry use data science to maximize revenue and route planning, in-flight sales and food supply, boarding and checking bags with facial recognition, and so much more now done with the support of data science. And also, companies like Boeing, they design and develop the aircrafts using data science by analyzing thousands of design alternatives to determine the right product for the customer and the best way to build it, thus saving time and money.
Finance. Progress of data science in finance is tremendous. Financial institutions have long used data science methods to detect charges or claims outside of the norm, logging these for human investigation. Fraud detection and prevention through credit cards and insurance and many more are done with the help of data science. This provides security to the customers as well as employees, preventing losses. Management of customer data is essential to financial institutes. They collect them, and through data science, they learn more about customer behavior, leading to more revenue opportunities. Risk modeling is a high priority for investing in a business, as it helps regulate financial activities and plays a key important role in decision making about capital in corporate financing, mergers, acquisitions, and many more. Real-time prediction and analytics in banking cannot be underestimated. Data science methods significantly improve banks' analytics strategy due to the fact that the availability and variety of information rapidly increasing. Analytics have become more sophisticated and accurate. This helps to understand the problem and use the right system to solve it. Data science methods use simple algorithms to analyze the user's activities in order to suggest the most relevant and accurate items. Such recommendation engines show the items that might interest the user even before he searches for it himself. Medical field. Application of data science in the medical field is crucial, and advances in this area are improving immensely. For example, modeling the structural connectivity of the human brain to predict the outcomes of a traumatic brain injury, or tackling the drug development pipeline for cardiovascular diseases, and simulating protein interactions that inform cancer diagnosis and treatments. For the COVID-19 pandemic, data science models were used to search for potential antibody and antibiotic drug treatments. Researchers are computationally screening over 700 million commercially available small molecule compounds to identify the subset that can be developed into antiviral drugs for COVID-19. Through data science, this process was done in a few weeks.
Agriculture. Farming is a complicated business with the consideration of many factors like soil, crop types, climate changes, and input resources. The final aim is to maximize the yield. Traditionally, what we can do are planting, watching the weather, applying uniform amount of water, nutrients and pesticides manually, inspecting for the signs of stress or pest infections. Sometimes all of the measure variables are affecting or sometimes they may be not. These conventional methods may not only waste time and resources, they can negatively affect soil and water quality too. Satellite and UAV imaging offers an effective way to survey small to large scale operations and assess crop health, and through data science it can pinpoint areas of crop stress to determine when, where and how much water, fertilizer and pesticides is needed to produce a healthy crop. Managing a large scale fish farm is by no means an easy task thanks to the fact that thousands of fish are typically kept in one pen. It is hard to determine one's fishy assets. However, systems like Aquabite uses a high-tech camera-powered system that can pick up how many fish are there in the pen, how much fish are eating, how large the fish in the pen currently are. They can use this information to suggest feeder amounts based on activity and their size using the data science. This helps to get more informed decisions, reducing wasted food and greater the profit margins for the fish farmers. In this video, we only covered some of the most common real-life application of data science out of tons more in the world. Future will be more brighter and more exciting through the advancement of technology data science, which will play a major key role in this endeavor.